In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates in Capcut in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or new to creating engaging content, using templates in Capcut can make your process much quicker and easier. First things first, grab your iPhone and open up the Capcut app. If you're already familiar with Capcut, you know it's a powerful tool for editing videos right on your phone. Once you have Capcut open, take a look at the home screen. You should see an option labelled Template towards the bottom. Tap on it. This section is your gateway to a variety of pre-designed video templates that can simplify your creative process. Templates range from fun and vibrant to sleek and professional, so take your time to explore what's available. Whether you're creating a birthday slideshow or a promotional video, finding the right template is key. As you browse through the selections, you can also use the search feature if you're looking for something specific. Let's say you found a template that catches your eye. Go ahead and tap on it. You'll be presented with an option to use template. Simply tap this button to start customizing. Now comes the fun part, selecting your photos or videos. When you tap to use a template, you'll be prompted to choose the media from your gallery that you'd like to insert. Depending on the template, you may have several slots to fill with different clips or photos. Make sure you've selected the most engaging content that suits the theme and mood of your video. With your selections made, Capcut will do some magic here. It automatically applies effects, transitions, and even music based on the chosen template. This automation is what makes using templates so incredibly time-saving and user-friendly. Your video starts to come to life with just a few taps, capturing the dynamic feel you're aiming for. At this point, preview the video, take a thorough look to ensure everything flows smoothly. Capcut does a fantastic job, but you might still want to make some minor adjustments. Whether it's tweaking a transition, adjusting a clip length, or even replacing an image, feel free to refine it to your liking. Satisfied with the outcome? The final step is to save your masterpiece. Tap the export option to save your finished video. This will store a high quality version directly to your phone, ready to share with friends, family, or on social media platforms. And there you have it, a beautifully edited video created in Capcut using templates. By following these simple steps, you can leverage the power of Capcut to produce stunning videos with ease and efficiency. Remember to explore different templates and let your creativity guide you to create content that stands out. Happy editing!